Vandaag we're singing
Greatest
collaboration, which is ties to the other episode that we had, which was the greatest artist in SA.
Yeah.
So we're doing greatest collaborations in SA. Yeah.
Welcome, Bafetu.
Corner cast.
Ponsolona.
Timber. Shout out.
Welcome,
Welcome.
Fetu.
First of all, thank you so much, Bafet, for your support. Siyabonga, for the subscription,
Namaste.
for the likes, for the comments. You guys keep pushing us on. The numbers are growing. Please join the family of Cornercast. Singamachita siringala music. Wire music.
Wire. Scoop
Wire.
one way.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah. Tshela umngane wakho, atshela omunye umngane wakho, atshena le ungayincanyo.
Yeah.
Just subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Oh,
yeah. Sisese kaShandu. Va?
Casting off.
Always forget.
Next door nesibhedlela singara.
Yeah, casting off Shandu, shout out.
Waqeda ukuphola zwakala ngayizo
Waqeda ukuphola.
Waqeda ukukhuka bayakulungisa lokho uba grand. Hayi shapha touch kayi.
Wozophola eCornercast.
Cornercast.
Yeah, sure.
Excellent.
Vandaag we're singing
Greatest
collaboration, which is ties to the other episode that we had, which was the greatest artist in SA.
Yeah.
So we're doing greatest collaborations in SA. Yeah. So please, disclaimer: this is all opinion based. Yeah. So don't quote us on that. Yeah. So siqala ngani vandaag bro?
So sikhuluma ngama
Collabs.
collabs,
Yeah.
food. And then we're gonna choose the ultimate food.
Yeah.
Ultimate collaboration. Push boundaries. Ifike la ngamele la music kazi ifike khona. Yeah. What comes to your mind ngocabanga la? The first collaboration ongasho ukuthi okay amachita from a different iyahlangana wonke or singathi amachita kuphela but siyinde bonke abahlangene and it did a join njalo.
Okay, asiqale nge-Afro pop because that pops in my mind.
Okay.
Get it? Pop, Afro pop pops in my mind. Popular Cornercast. Yabo.
Namasimbo triple X ngakushaya amabhasi.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this thing is going to be biased because uzongnyela uzothi nqanye mafike izona.
Okay, fair.
Yeah. So ngicela nginganyela.
Okay, sorry. Siyamazi. Abona ushaya amazaza kwatiyo khosingo. Fan yamafika izona.
Yeah. Okay. One song that I really love, Brian. Okay, I heard you saying ukuthi a collaboration between an artist that is different from another. So these ones are not different.
No, not different per se. I'm just saying that people coming together. Yeah.
So it was Mafigizolo and Simi.
And Simi. From KZN, right?
Love you, Simi. I am not Simi. I'm not Simi. Shout out. So yeah, Mamezal. I don't know if you know the track. It's like a wedding kind of thing. You know, the reason why I like Mafigizolo is because, in a way, they are a family kind of. They give that family kind of feel when it comes to music. Something you can listen to with your aunts, with your uncles, with your cousins in a family setting. You know, like in a wedding or or something like that. So yeah, that track, Mamazal. Yeah. So that track for me is too dope. Production wise, lyrically, what's the word you said? Sonically. Yeah, sonically, too dope. So Mafigizolo and Nosim. And then another one, Usjava Sbalene. I think I'm mentioning the same people as I mentioned on the other episode. Usjava and what are these twins? Lava blonde.
Qabe twins.
The blonde ones. Blonde.
Blonde, man. Angazi ngiba-check, blonde.
They're blonde.
Really?
Yeah, no, not mentally, but they're blonde like head-wise. Hair-wise.
Okay,
Yeah.
headwise. You say headwise, not mentally.
Yeah.
Headwise.
Yeah,
Manje
I mean,
hair-wise.
because most umuntu blonde, then you're saying something else, right? Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, uJava umchazele ukuthi
Ukhulumile
yeah, kule episode le ukuthi versatile, yabo.
Yeah.
Nange hip hop untoni yangena, nange any other kind of genre, he's really is modern, man. Untanga is with our time, you know. So, what's yours?
For me, as most human Afropop, two come into mind right now.
Too calm. Yeah, too calm. No, I'm
most recently.
Yeah.
Most recently is two. As Nomfundo Mo, Nomfundo Mo, Emifaku, Shasha.
Dude.
Phakathi
I'm fine. Why didn't you give me that
three
one?
dope vocalists.
Yeah.
Current
Yeah. No, for real.
in one joint.
No, for real.
And
for
it
real.
sounds nice. Like for me, we are one of the energy
Yo.
being a force.
Yeah, being a force, yeah.
I don't get him Nandi. I mean, even the track went platinum. That was
Yeah, and the video is just visually nice as well.
That's nice.
Yeah.
And then the second one, Nush Java, no Big Zulu. I think Nush Java elevated or amplified Big Zulu. Because Big Zulu, I think le sound beganayo, but bekashota ngomuntu ongammenza ukuthi abe comfortable.
So you saying Java made Big Zulu more Zulu?
I don't know about the Zulu part, but umfakile kwaMrosoli. Well, you listen to Kamizeze, he was comfortable.
Maru, but what was Big Zulu doing? It's not hip hop. We can agree with he's not doing hip hop, right?
No, but I'm just saying with after
when you look at his
after Imaleni, because now bingimbona kuma cipher kakhulu, especially Sotra ciphers. Shout out to Speaker.
Yeah, sure. Putting hip hop in the map.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, bengimuzwa from Speaker mara bekashaya irap. So music wakangazi but when I listen to Imaleni, I could tell ukuthi okay untwana ngathepa kule ya sound Afro pop / soul.
So Big Zulu on Maleningi, it sounded like Afro pop.
Bangari umuntu bani urepayela ngoba Ricky.
What?
Uthini like wena ngitshela ama line wami wakhumbulayo. Because mina ngikhumbula chorus
man. Yeni.
So he rhyme.
But I think he sounded more hip hop. Not okay, other than the 150 bars and the 200 bars that he did.
Yeah.
It did sound more hip hop-ish there. But anyway, it's fine.
Yeah, hence I'm saying there's two recent and then there's memorable ones esingakhuluma ngazo. Izabalaza, uthandiswa no Tsepotso.
Yes.
Best collab, that genre.
Ndilinde, yeah.
And Tsepotso. Yeah, for me.
I think we're playing with the same artist because I mean this is the same artist that we mentioned.
Yeah. Yeah. So
are we being biased?
Maybe we're being biased, but it is correct tender.
Yeah, I'm sure we're being biased.
Because I don't think Labantu. If you listen to Afropop kakhulu, we banga collaborate kanjalo labantu.
For real? There's not a lot of collabs in Afropop. Okay, let's go down the list. Malaika.
Collaborating with Malaika because Malaika work as Malaika.
Amanda Black.
Amanda Black.
No Sauce. La Sauce.
The track in
I do. Yeah, that was dope.
Yeah. Wonke la mishato le.
Yeah.
Kala yo. I do.
I think one day we must do an episode about wedding songs, like songs that
play
that will pump in a wedding.
Yeah.
I think that will be okay. Amufaku. What about Scorpion Kings?
But there was more piano.
Not more.
Genre,
yeah, but she's Afropop,
She's
right?
Afropop, but the sound was not Afropop.
Right. Let's go. Who else is there?
Most people are based on maybe ngeke sithi collaboration because we maybe ne-producer but kabaya ba-collaborate hence ngithi afropop asikabhaya ungawathola only recently now so ngikhulume ngosijaba umlilo nolento yini umlilo nosijaba remember le
Yeah.
le joint konje ikhuluma ngani
Yona leyo joint. Angimncanyusisi kahle umlindo.
ubani umlindo what
I don't know.
okay umlindo nolento no maphorisa ama-place
Ama-place, yeah. But
Yeah.
was that Afropop though?
it was
Ah,
it was Afropop
bekunobupiano nyana.
no benganapiano
Ah,
Afropop
Afropop.
before umlindo did piano that's Afropop wabe nama-place
Yeah, I remember. That's the first time I actually saw DJ Maporis. I know he was already out there, but that's when I really saw him. Yeah, but that track is Afropop.
it is Afropop
Ah, pay me, Leon. You are
Okay.
highness.
ngene ngithipeni triple X bafethu ngene ngikhuluma triple X
Okay, let's settle this one. Guys, who's there? In this genre.
on this genre i-ultimate konje uqale ngani
I said this Java, the Blonde Twins, and then Mafikizolo Nosimi.
kule generally mina ngihamba nolento usijava no Big Zulu because album yabo inkabizelo imbambayi double platinum
Yeah.
so mina I would say yi-collaboration kule genre
Yeah. They even put out an album, so
Yeah.
clearly they had some sort of confidence in themselves.
chemistry beda
Yeah. But what's chemistry phela emazulwini ukhuluma ngenye into sibali. Chemistry.
bagelezile labantu ithini
Bazokuyisa le kandla bakushayela chemistry ngakuyibhilive. Okay, so we'll give it to them again.
alright
For the fact that they had an album,
Yeah.
right? The fact that they are the ones who went more than one track,
yeah
right?
and they went more than one track
Yeah, they went more than one track.
and also memorable mention bafethu nomfundo muno
Yes,
Like,
we can't discount that.
no namsaki man Amy Fag
Yeah, Amy Fak, yeah,
Shasha
and Shasha. Yeah. I really love that song, man.
Yeah.
It's dope.
she
The
also
video,
went double platinum but even though the joint wasn't of the
except
album,
Abani, except there.
yaka nomfundo muno
Yeah, hey, umfundo na disappoint. But anyway,
kuphi
no man,
which track
like there's this one. I forgot the name of this track, man. There's this one that's out now. I don't know who she's featuring there, but yeah, no, won't disappoint. I mean, I think now I shoot her high, and then yeah, man, she didn't. As long I sustain that for me, she didn't sustain it. But anyway, so Big Zulu, Inkabizez,
inkabizelo
se taxi rank,
se-taxi rank
Jan.
phakathi kwe-super 16 hi ace
Okay, and then quiet to talk.
Yeah.
Let's do quiet. Give me your best collabs.
the one that I remember from the jump
Yeah.
izinja zami TKZ Dr. Maheu usbu
Sbu, yeah.
Sbu
Sbu
Maloya.
Maloya, yeah.
Too short.
Yeah.
I
Let the
remember
shine.
that one
Yeah.
yeah you were memorable like him quite also the fat and set joint yaka speaking
Yeah, man.
speaking Rutukun Mandoza
Fuck.
Stone.
That was dope.
Stony from Bongo
Bongo
Muffin
Muffin, yeah, that was dope.
proper
Yeah, and the fact that they that was relevant at that time.
Yeah.
The fat and set thing was
Ebudi.
there. Ebudi.
awaja khoza wanyala
Yeah,
awajahela khoza wanyala
I even forgot about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a dope track.
Mhm.
For
Wena
me,
ngam-
50-50.
Aye,
Yeah, Mendoza no.
Don't
M2.
father no
Yeah,
Mandoza
M2, yeah.
ezasezona
Yeah, I know that for me. Remember, Destiny's Child had released a track, Independent. I am Survivor. Is it? Yeah, Survive. Yeah, Survive.
survivor Destiny's Child
Destiny's Child, yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that was like a kind of like a no, man, not Survivor, man. Was it? Yeah, it was Survivor.
Survivor
Yeah.
Let's go 50-50.
Yeah, let's go 50-50. They sampled it. Yeah, they sampled it from Destiny's Child, right?
But it's not Survivor.
It's not Survivor.
Yeah.
What track was it? I forgot the track, but yeah,
They
they
sampled,
they played a spin-off to that.
Yeah.
You know, they were responding to that. They were fit. Nani nisibhadalele phela ama-50.
Let's go.
Niyazohlupha la.
Ngoba ixoxo
Ngoba sigcumela.
Wena ufuna ugcumela
Ngozohlanyela. Ayizapokora la le awuthezi.
Ngisakozolo
Ayizapokora. Nawe kumele usibhadalele amzosibhadalele. Ayizapokora la.
Yeah, singasho
Yeah.
ukuthi and then
And then Trompis and Lebu Matos, Makhasman. I like, yeah, no, but that was proper though.
But now I think we're doing injustice now because there's two main.
It's too many though.
Uthini ngozola nonathi.
Yeah.
Mzekeze no brown tape. Yeah.
Itena nuwe. Azia yangithola. Yeah, that was a dope track. Even the video, it was too dope. Like Uzola, man. Like that man deserves his flowers, man. Like for real.
Mzekeze no brown tape kucanga
Yeah. That was also dope.
Uzola no brown tape. Koji puff and pass.
Yes, puff and pass,
Yeah,
man. Oh, man, I
He
even
has
forgot.
something with Zipa.
We can never cover everything.
Professor nokuthi izozo.
And then when you come uza research nyana uthola uprofessor nolento no speed.
Yeah.
Uba nokunikeza lento.
Ah, dude.
Mote
Shit.
tshontsha imali kana.
No. I have to change mine, dog. I gotta change it. Yo. I have to change mine. That track, dog,
Yeah.
introduced me to Professor. Professor, dog, is... Man, that man he's a legend. I must say, he's a legend, dog. Aye, dude.
Endoda speakiri awuna maningi amakholeji. Khumbula le yini? Jaba ngathi umenyori ishisa mpamo kwini? Karen.
Yeah.
Every time speakiri join besazi ukuthi vela baningi labantu.
Yeah.
There's a collaborator nabantu. It's one artist esingasho ukuthi
Yeah.
he
Collaborated.
Lento collaboration.
Also a collab he did with hip hop artists.
Yeah, no, Pro. Yeah, I did with Pro Kid as well. Yeah.
No bricks.
Yeah.
No bricks.
Yeah.
Noma duphutu yavela.
Yeah, no one to put. Yeah. That was. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
So are you changing yours? Are you changing the two?
I have to change because now bangikhumbula ubani osinikeza lento
Ayifana. Like a professor.
yeah professor if angicabanga umlilo Big Nas no Tira abafake
Yeah, but that track, yeah, umlilo we Big Nas.
Big Nas
Yeah, yangamula unyaka. Yeah.
so Big Nas
Yeah.
khoida
Oh yeah.
and then obvious TKZ introduction yamntana
Ayifana.
izinja man
Aye.
man so I got two it's Big Nas umlilo ne TKZ
Izinja zami.
yeah
Aye.
or Fiasco between one and Fiasco mara vari izinja zami
Fiasco lyrically was whack, man.
Fiasco bezibuya
Pam. Wizobo. Aye.
oh yeah
pam.
because
Lyrically
investeka amakeshi kuzinja zami akabulala
Aye.
baninga kanibulala kale arrive le yabeshada
Yeah, no. And if ever ngento irrelevant there.
Hip hop.
Yeah. So Sivano Ban, yeah, you have to decide on this one, dog. I'm truly fucking confused. Like
izinja zami because izinja zami blueprint it gave them ngibonisa abantu manje manijoina ku collaboration maningena kanjani
not
they had
50-50.
everything
Not 50-50. Mendoza and two. Like that
biggest
was
stars.
unheard of. That was
two
unheard of.
biggest stars
Two biggest stars, unheard of, dog. I think that's the only one track that they did. They never ever collaborated.
and it's weird kaseliwa
Yeah.
nah 50-50 asikayini 50-50 two big stars
50-50.
quite yeah sithe wafro pop ubani
Uthe ubani? Usjava. Did you say Usjava?
ikabzezwe
Ikabizezwe.
and then quite
Masicabanga i-rank. Ukhumbula.
cabanga ibhele la pipi
Okay, so apropos.
okay quite sithe umandoyo
Mendoza nomtu.
nomdu 50-50
Asiye ku hip hop
Hip
okay.
hop. Ooh,
Yo, dude.
hip hop
No, Buffett, just give us yours on the comments. Give us your best hip hop collaborations because, yeah, did we give out the disclaimer? Disclaimer. This is our opinion.
Opinions.
Because
Give
there's
us
a
yours.
lot. There's a lot.
There's a lot.
Izinyathelo
Collaborations. There's a lot.
One memorable one for the fact that there was the production. As I said on the other episode, which I started having like a proper respect for AK on his production. Lemons and lemonades, man. No, it was good.
Lemonade. Why you call it lemons and lemonade?
Yeah, but the full thing is lemons and lemonades.
Really?
Yeah, you must. Yeah, okay. When they cut it short, it's lemons, but it's lemons and lemonades. The whole the name.
Really?
Yeah, look at it.
You
must check him out.
No,
No, I mean for real. Check it out. You must check it out. It's lemons and lemonades.
It's lemonade.
Yes. Just check it out.
Aye.
But anyway, lemons.
Then
It's
to be
lemonade.
corrected.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. That track was dope, though.
Hip hop.
Yeah.
Hip hop. I remember. I would say amantombazane for me because if I get abantu who could speak. I don't know what
Malum Kulket.
Malcolm Cook stole the show. I remember that joy.
Yeah.
You and Ashu with collaboration because now it gave abantu. I think how much it won't be worth all of that. I mean it's Ginger Trill, Chili Monati, Ton Suave.
Yeah.
Number one.
Yeah.
Daguno Kirex Mfanaga Auntie.
Yeah.
There's Questa Dakar, the king of African rap. Uno Ellen, the feature Mfana, Smart Mampara. Okay, Magulum Kulket, Hello Cheruna Yenaka.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ginger is there.
Yeah. So prop I launch. Career how much?
Yeah, launch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think hip hop is a tough one, eh?
It's a tough
It is.
one, because there's the two main.
Talking about Malum Kulket,
Yo.
you would say he made Casper Blue, Ngale.
Ngale
on that verse that he did.
when you remember the
Yeah,
Kusheshe.
yeah.
To mention a pizza.
Mama.
Pac-Man, Bonking. But
I think that's one nigga that we don't give flowers to, man.
Hip hop is too much.
It's too much.
It's too much. You think of each jump the track you got ulento. It's necessary ulento. But you want to the cheese boy. Anati.
Yeah.
Anati and Casper.
Yeah.
The sound Maurice or Kokala read the countries of America.
Yeah.
Kata Elise. Proper now.
What about Ranchos? Ranchos was also proper. KO and thingy. No, but we can't go up on hip hop collaborations without mentioning Sete Wafet.
Yeah, Set is the one.
Sete is the one.
Set is the one.
Like you brought in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Set is it's hip hop. They call it hip hop, but it's a different sound. It's
I
an
know.
Afrobeat sound.
Karakara.
And then Afrobeat, Afrobeat, because now there was two rising stars.
Yeah.
On the
track.
That
Yeah.
were
Blakey.
featured.
Yeah. No stand.
Blakey, no Stan.
Yeah.
Two different sounds. Blakey is hip hop, the rising star. Stana, I'm a piano sensation.
Sensation.
Danger call he let you
KO.
And it's the second time he's doing that.
Yeah.
Remember Karakar?
Yeah.
Became the biggest song.
Yeah.
Anokiri Mfanaga.
People will ask ngigcina usalasha abantwana besikolo ngekarakara.
Umzwili response akathi.
Athi
no tatweni wayigibela
Yeah.
ngekarakara. Bro.
Yeah, so for me Sete ne lemons. Lemonade.
Lapho mfethu we have to choose. The Set is the biggest song.
Oh, Sete.
But it is the biggest song.
Yeah, it's a bigger song. Sete.
Stay number one for like 14 weeks.
Other than breaking records, but are you telling me like since hip hop Italy in
Collaborations, yeah.
Collaboration.
Collaboration.
Ranchos, yeah. We spoke about Ranchos as well.
All eyes on me was it did big.
All eyes on me because
All eyes on me was big. Yeah,
It's just that
way bigger than Sete.
but it's not way bigger than
social
Set.
media doing
It's a memorable mention.
Memorable
mention.
Yeah, memorize.
But you guys also hip hop, if you trace back There was that era yabo Ammunition, Abo Seven,
Yes, yeah.
where they were sort of working with like different cats.
Yeah, yeah.
That
No,
was not
So-
mainstream.
but they
Yeah,
were not
that's the
mainstream.
That's the thing.
Abayenzaga imali.
Yeah,
Wait,
bench now. Do they have a bench?
But you guys have to remember that what makes someone popular these days is social media. It's not. They don't have to be good.
Okay.
No,
If you have a good
Yeah,
social
you,
media,
yeah, you
will
make sense.
money.
Fair.
Yeah.
Fair. Social media.
R.I.P. Dimples. Like, didn't
Yeah,
he
Dimples.
have-
Yeah.
Dimples kusho Dimples bekuyinto yakhe.
Oh yes, Mayo.
It's Mayo ntwana yami. DJ
Mayor.
Speedster. It's DJ Speedster no lento.
Yeah.
Shane Eagle
Yeah.
and what's one Frank Cassini. Yeah, I forgot the other guy.
hip hop is tough. Eh?
Yeah,
Hip hop
it's
is
tough.
tough. There's too many.
I
Have some
didn't.
say-
We are just weighing it
And
out
it's
on the
opinion-
on
opinion
page.
based.
We're weighing it out on the popularity.
popularity.
Hey,
Set
I
is
mean,
the
if you
shit.
went on bars on whatever,
It's
there's
different,
a lot.
different
There's a lot.
category. Yeah,
There's a lot.
yeah. Set is the one.
Yeah, no, certain takes it.
Copy.
And maybe we are giving UKO the award that he deserved that he didn't get. Exactly. So here we are. The corner cast is giving you the award. KO.
Even
Shout
though
out.
Makera Kubulele, the latest offering, Mara.
So cancel.
Ela
Right? So landwa tear gas.
Don't let him switch on my voice.
I know.
Waphela.
Okay, so it's set, innit?
Yeah, it's set.
Yeah,
hip
sure.
hop.
House.
House.
Yo.
Collaboration. Yo, there's
Okay,
so
I'll
many.
say Ken Phonic.
Yeah. Number one now, I would say the Ken Phonic
Ken Phonic.
remake.
Yeah.
After 2 years. After 2 years.
Yeah.
The Takzin remake, whatever. of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
sound. Sons of the Horn.
Of the horn, yeah.
Oh, so he meant Kent Phonic, like
Kent
when
and
Kent
Phonic.
Euphonic.
Kent
Yeah,
and Euphonic.
as in
Oh,
the
the
collab, the
collaboration.
collaboration,
Yes,
right?
remember they used to work at as
Oh,
early
yeah.
2000.
Yeah, they-
But was it big though?
It was huge.
It was huge.
Oh, it was huge because they were done on 5FM.
5FM, yeah.
And also
Yeah.
it was at Soul Candy 3 where there was a Kent Phonic
Ken
album.
Phonic,
Yeah.
yeah.
Actually, that Kent Phonic album carried that Soul Candy. Soul Candy
Yeah.
Album, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Ken
I also-
Phonic,
I also hoida ulento culo di song no Mambu Simhlongo.
Aye, ayithanda le track.
Bawumncane. Hayi baba, that was huge. Let me boom. That was huge.
Yeah.
Best collaboration, 2 different sound.
Yeah.
Ntwana ushaya house, the tribal.
Yeah.
Umama ushade ya. Was it Maskandi the music bawashaya?
Yeah, Maskandi.
Umbhaqanga.
Umbhaqanga,
yeah.
ne?
Somewhere
Umbhaqanga,
there.
ne?
Along those
Umbhaqanga.
lines.
And then nomletha ngayintwana. Ah, the sound was universal.
Yeah, but then you can't revolution in Vavuma. Konje bashano bani?
Bavenda.
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 Bashano bani konje I forgot the name.
Baby baba.
Yeah, baby, yeah, that was also dope collaboration.
Yes, even there's another one.
I know Theo. I think that one is way better.
Yo, Theo. Who?
Throw your hands up in the sky.
Yeah.
Oski.
Oskido ntaba. Oskido was it house the ngoma le yayikhipha leya. The roof was on fire. I don't know what the name of the track, but it was
Uh,
the roof.
The roof is on fire.
Party people in the
Party
place
people
to
stand
be.
up.
Yeah.
Did you like that song?
Is it? No.
It was
Party People-
big.
yeah.
Yeah. It
Did
was
you
big.
like the song?
Yes, I did like the song. I know Professor no correct.
Pay me. You like the song?
Yes. The song was big. But
I remember the song, but it was yeah.
Ah, okay. Asa-
No, your opinion,
Yeah,
dog.
my
I'm just
opinion
saying.
was
I'm just
big.
saying. I'm
Mina
just saying.
senyasho, it was big.
That song was big.
Yeah.
Like, okay. Who else? Yeah, in the collapse.
Collapse.
So Oskido
Yeah.
and the fire. Oskido and the fire.
It's good no character no.
Yeah.
The professor.
Black
Yeah.
Coffee and Boosie as well.
Black Coffee
Yeah,
and Boosie,
Superman, yes, Superman, yeah.
Also Black Coffee and Zex Pantuinu Juju.
Juju,
Yeah,
yeah.
maybe anthem.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah,
anthem
yeah.
nayo 24/7
Prince
beka.
KB Msaki.
Prince KB Msaki. Konje in
Bet
there.
Your Life.
Your life.
Yeah.
Also,
Angisiqede bafowethu.
angazi lo
Ange.
Prince Bathi bani Master
uTickman
KG.
or
Mr. KG, Master KG nalo ya Cherry,
Jerusalem.
Jerusalem,
Because-
yes,
Is
yes.
it house?
commercial house.
Com-
Yeah, I
Commercial
know,
house
it's still house.
is the
Still
biggest.
house. Yeah, I know. Yeah, but
Apart from
emotion,
Zonke,
then
he's
we
the
have to
biggest.
go give them that.
Yeah, that's Master KG.
You have to give them that. Dude.
Master KG is the one.
I know, we
also
have to
tough.
give him Master
Yeah,
KG.
it's tough because being a
PK also-
challenge, you the first song. Okuyale phezulu.
So clearly our rating here, since it's a rating system, is based on the commercial side,
Yeah,
the accolades the artists that they get,
yeah, and the relevance.
the relevancy,
Yeah,
and obviously the social media presence of the person.
social media
Yeah.
presence. Yeah,
Yeah, your
Yeah.
TikToks, your dance move, whatever that you're influencing at that time, at this time.
so the house would give it to Master KG.
Hey, but it's sad to do
It's
that.
sad to
It's
do
sad
that,
to do that
Bara.
because there's a lot, man. There's a lot.
I mean, commercially they made sense. Tanga. They made money in their feet.
Yeah, and they even went
though we didn't
international.
understand it, when Penna Boy jumped on the ring.
Yes, yes, yes. That's another collab.
That's another collab.
That's another collab, yeah.
The
Yeah.
biggest star lapho.
Okay, so Sisa taxi rank.
Siye taxi rank
And
sathi
it's,
Ntamzezwe.
Yeah.
Sabuya sathi TKZ.
Hip hop. Oh, Mtu.
Oh,
Quite.
Mtu, it's not TKZ.
Mtu Nomandos.
Nomandos 50-50.
Yeah.
And we went hip hop sathi bani?
Who did we choose?
Sete.
Sete.
Sete
Yeah.
KO.
KO.
Blakino Youngstar.
Yeah.
And we came sathi Master KG.
Yeah.
So the overall.
Overall, GOAT on the
But
collabs.
now, when we speak of your house, do we hoy my piano there?
Okay, let's go my piano.
When we hoy my piano,
Yeah, let's
Twala
go my
Bam is the
piano.
biggest song. It kicks. Ole.
But
Master
Twala Bam
KG.
is not a collaboration. Is it a collaboration?
It is a collaboration because
aren't
it's
those guys
EQ.
a duo?
No, the guys are duo, but the people who are singing there,
Yeah.
EQ and the other guy, SNE.
No, but I can argue that Mapiano to say the Kabza, Maporisa and something Soweto era is something else. That combination, that was the introduction of Mapiano, right?
But
that one- that
but
one,
commercially,
going end.
remember
Yeah,
our
we
merits.
remember our merits.
Remember merits.
We put in our metrics.
Our
This is what we're
metrics and
doing.
merits.
Yeah, Kabza and thing. Because remember that the Scorpion King.
Yeah.
Run,
So
right?
you can say that's a collaboration.
There's a collaboration on its own. So
Yeah.
when you hoy my piano there,
Yeah. Scorpion King.
it's
I
different.
mean, Faku and Kabza the Small.
Exactly.
Hey.
So now let's leave
Let's
Amapiano.
confuse our
Amapiano will have its own.
Hey, let's confuse it. There's a lot.
Hey, we
There's
leave
a lot.
Amapiano out. There's
There's a
Amapiano.
lot.
Put my piano last.
Yeah, Amapiano will
Maybe,
be there.
maybe let's add Mapiano to the mix.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, no, we are. We
Yeah.
are Eddie.
Stand
Okay.
alone.
Standalone,
Oh.
not piano, because now it's a child.
Oh, okay. Stand alone. Okay.
It
Yeah,
outgrew-
let's do my
It
piano.
outgrew the box that it was in. It was in. Yeah, I understand.
It boxed
we
out.
dinosaur. So we dinosaur. It box it
Yeah,
out.
out. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Out of the box.
Out of the box. Some piano. What collaboration we kumbula? Mina kumbula remember msebenzi wethu,
Fun.
Mr. Jazzy,
Yo.
Amarodo,
Eish.
Uzuma no
Abumpura spa.
Mpura, mpura.
Oh my God. Like we're gonna go crazy here.
That's a collaboration, Tada.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, if we're gonna go to Mapiano, it's gonna go to the Scorpion King.
Scorpion Kings, ne?
Because
that's the best.
at some point they had a denominator in everything that always comes together.
You have to
Yeah, you have to go to Ndlule there. I understand.
Like
It's a
yeah.
PDD kind of setup, but it's like there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you, like they-
Scorpion Kings, Maporisa and Kabza and the other guys who are being
Yeah.
featured now.
Yeah.
For the vocals thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's the Scorpion King
Scorpion Kings. Mapiano as a genre.
as a
exciting
genre on its own.
on its own,
Yeah.
because you no longer see Boxy in the house. It's its own big thing now.
Yeah.
Beastie one.
With understanding that we didn't mention other songs
Other
or
songs,
other
yeah, other
collaborations
Because
because of
that we don't, but we understand with E-Pro, it will start at 5 hours.
yeah, I know understand.
Yes, great. Okay. Ultimate goal based on Uncle Amapiano.
It's gonna go to the Scorpion King.
Scorpion Kings,
It's
man.
gonna go to the Scorpion King.
Because they've launched so many people.
Yeah, they have.
Ah, come on.
In a genre that's just dominating everywhere.
Everywhere.
It's just dominating everywhere.
Everywhere.
They just fucking it off.
So, we agree.
We are there.
Siyavumelana.
We are there.
Ekhoneni siyavumela for the
Yeah,
first
there.
time nge-Triple X.
Scorpion Kings.
Scorpion
Now,
King.
Yeah,
can
sure.
Can we disagree from, okay, not maybe to disagree, but to add something, or maybe just to put something in perspective.
Timpuza amanzi ngiyamazi.
Hey, he's a
Uyastatara,
Umuza.
umlalela.
My man, my man,
So
my man.
this guy, Kelvin Momo, and his wife, because they're also like, you know,
A
something
couple.
else. Yeah,
Because they're a
Baba.
couple.
Ba bigger than Scorpion Kings.
I'm just saying, they're in the
Memorable
level where they're
mention.
competing. They've got enough music.
Memorable mention, Fade. Sipiyeka.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Because they're a couple.
Connect.
I know, but the point, I understand the point. They do like dope
They've got a
music.
lot
but-
of music. out
Yeah,
there.
but
and
on
a
the-
lot of hits, not
who-
just music, a lot of hits.
Yeah, but with what we put in as a matrix, I don't think they match the.
But now I was just bringing them in the screen because you guys never said anything.
Yeah, but we are on
No,
the
hence
screen.
we said we'll
we
take
are
5
on the
hours.
screen. This man wants to put Kelvin Momo in the screen, but we are in the screen.
We understand you are a fan of private school.
Ufuna uba-
Kabza.
Ntanga, wena understand
Okay.
ukuthi lo baba ufuna
No,
ukwenzani.
no, 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 no,
Uthi,
asiqede.
he wants to put them on the screen in the corner team.
Wenza njani?
Ekhoneni.
Baba,
Hayi
fethu.
baba.
Se-screen,
We are in
yena,
the screen.
no way. out yakho yinkosi ye-private school village. Ukabza uyinkosi. There's a difference. The king ne-chief.
Ah, yabona wena so favor Kabza. We were talking about Scorpion Kings.
No, bese ngithi ngiyamchazela. Hari, bafethu ekhoneni. Ma-opinion wenu lapho, commentani
Yeah,
lapho.
sure.
Siyanibonga bafethu.
Yeah.
Danko.
Sharp.
Keep
Out.
on supporting.
Yeah. We are
Bafethu.
Siva kanje.
Sikashandu.
Kashandu.
Castonoff.
Shout out.
Bafethu.
Yeah.
Please.
Corner cast we out. Timba.
Shout out to Boyki Photo Moments.
Yeah,
18
sure.
plus minus.
Away we out.